What's going on, guys? Patrick here from PatrickLongRealty.com, and today on our $1 million listings, we're gonna highlight this beautiful property. And imagine if you had Pipeline and these waves as your backyard. Well, today we're gonna show you this stunning property listed for $7 million and show you what it offers. Now, before we step into this stunning $7 million beachfront property, we need to talk a little bit about the location and also the history of this beautiful property. Now, the location, pretty obvious. You're in one of the best locations in Hawaii if you want to see some of the best surf in the world, Banzai Pipeline, and you are literally steps away from either getting in the water or enjoying the show. Now, when it comes to history, this place is rich in that history. In the 70s and 80s, it was one of the locations where it was known as the underground house, where a lot of surfers from California and Florida came out here to prove themselves during the Jerry Lopez days. And then in the 90s, basically we saw that the Vans Triple Crown had their first contest here, and they've had a contest every single year right here at Pipeline. Now, with that being said, this home has been housing not only professional surfers, also the WSL, the World Surf League, has used this house a lot to house their competitors. And now it could be yours if you're looking to purchase this property and you've got $7 million laying around. So let's go check it out. Now, this property is definitely for entertaining. Not only do you have one of the best views out there, but this home allows a lot of comfortability when you do have plenty of guests. One of those would be that it's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,700 square feet, sitting on a 7,300 square foot lot. And additionally, all your friends are gonna wanna come over, but parking can be a bit of a challenge, but not with this property. It actually has 10 parking spots. So let's check out the rest of this beautiful property. Now, this home is jam-packed with modern amenities as it was built in 2011. If you are not feeling that beautiful ocean breeze, you can enjoy some of the split ACs. And then of course, if you wanna cook, you got two options. There is a cooking area downstairs as well as upstairs. Now, in the downstairs area, the home is kind of conveniently split into two different living areas. Downstairs, there is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and then we'll show you the upstairs right now. Now, as we move on upstairs, which essentially is a second living area, it does offer 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as an area for cooking and entertaining. And the thing I do like about the upstairs is it not only has the bedrooms and bathrooms to facilitate more guests, but also plenty of sitting area. Now, this home is definitely focused not only on the view, but outdoor living. And where else would you do that? You're in Hawaii, but better yet, you're right on Banzai Pipeline. So let's check out what we got over here. Now, the inside of the home has tons of modern features, and it's absolutely comfortable and beautiful. What I really like about this house is not only the location, you're obviously right here on Pipeline, but the outdoor living space that they've created to make it very seamless. So not only do we have a lanai downstairs, but you also have a dual lanai upstairs, which gets you even a more optimal shot of Pipeline and the beach. And then also on this 7,300 square foot lot, yes, you do have the beach, which is a great backyard, but you do also have some grass down below for you and your family to enjoy. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for our $1 million listing series. If you guys have any questions on this specific property or any properties out here in Oahu, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Patrick with PatrickLongRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.